Buying a car can be an exciting experience, but it can also be a costly one. In this video, we'll show you how to save money on your next car purchase. Before you even step foot into a dealership, it's important to do your research. Start by determining your budget and the type of car you want. Use online resources to compare prices and features of different models. This will help you narrow down your options and find the best deal. Once you've done your research, start calling dealerships to get quotes. Don't be afraid to negotiate and ask for discounts. Finally, test drive the car before making a purchase. This will help you ensure that the car is the right fit for you and that you're getting the best value for your money. By following these tips, you can save money on your next car purchase and drive away with a great deal. Financing is a major part of a car buying process, and it's important to explore all of your options. Start by checking with your bank or credit union for pre-approved financing. This can give you an idea of what interest rates and terms you qualify for. If you're not able to secure financing through your bank, consider getting pre-approved through the dealership. However, be aware that dealership financing may come with higher interest rates. When negotiating financing terms, focus on the total cost of the car, not just the monthly payment. A longer loan term may result in a lower monthly payment, but it will also mean paying more in interest over time. Before signing any financing paperwork, make sure you understand all of the terms and fees. Don't be afraid to ask questions or negotiate for better terms. By exploring all of your financing options and negotiating for the best terms, you can save money on your car purchase and avoid costly mistakes. Timing is everything when it comes to buying a car. By choosing the right time to make your purchase, you can save money and get a better deal. One of the best times to buy a car is at the end of the year, when dealerships are trying to clear out their inventory to make room for new models. Another good time to buy a car is during the week, when dealerships are less busy and more willing to negotiate. Holiday weekends, such as Memorial Day or Labor Day, are also good times to buy a car, as dealerships often offer special sales and discounts. When a new model is about to be released, dealerships may offer discounts on the previous year's model to make room for the new inventory. No matter when you decide to buy a car, always negotiate for the best deal. Don't be afraid to walk away if the dealership isn't willing to meet your needs. By timing your purchase and negotiating for the best deal, you can save money and drive away with a great car. While buying a new car can be tempting, it's important to consider the benefits of buying a used car. Used cars are often significantly cheaper than new cars, and they may have already depreciated in value, meaning you'll lose less money over time. When buying a used car, be sure to inspect it thoroughly for any damage or wear and tear. Consider getting a vehicle history report to check for any accidents or other issues. Test drive the car to ensure that it's in good working condition and that it meets your needs. When negotiating for a used car, use the car's condition and history as leverage. Don't be afraid to ask for a lower price or additional repairs. By considering used cars and negotiating for the best deal, you can save money and still get a reliable car.